911, how may we help you? Hi, yes, I would like to file a noise complaint from the Sonic the Hedgehog house. Okay, and what's your name? My name is... Okay, thank you for giving us the information. We'll send somebody out. Okay, thank you. Yeah, bye. Hi, yeah. I don't know if you're hearing this, but there's like a red glowing light in the Sonic the Hedgehog house, and I'm hiding from it. So if any of you guys get this message, please. My name is... Okay. I'm hiding. Hello? Hey, it's me, Sonic the Hedgehog. Look, I'm sorry what's going on in the house. There's been like a couple stuff going on in there, so please, I come in peace. Okay. Where are you? I'm in the living room. Okay. Is that you? Sonic?